If you're wondering about the top 5 drone cameras, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're in the market for a foldable drone with advanced features, look no further than the Neemi NH525. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, giving you a brand new perspective on the world. With its FPV real-time transmission technology, you can even enjoy a live feed of the drone's view through the accompanying app. Safety is always a top priority, and the Neemi NH525 doesn't disappoint. It comes with 4 propeller guards to protect both you and the drone from any potential accidents. Plus, with its ultra-long flight time of up to 26 minutes and a control distance of up to 100 m, you'll have plenty of time and space to explore. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Neemi NH525 is designed for everyone. With just one key, you can easily take off and land the drone, making it extremely user-friendly. It also offers other useful functions such as headless mode, speed adjustment, altitude hold mode, and even hand gesture photo/video capture. But the fun doesn't stop there. This versatile drone can perform impressive stunts like 360 flips and high-speed rotations. You can also draw a flight path on the app screen, and the drone will follow it precisely. And with 3 ratio options available, you can customize your flying experience to match your preferences. Overall, the Neemi NH525 is a compact and feature-packed foldable drone that delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or simply looking to have some fun in the sky, this drone is sure to exceed your expectations. Looking for a drone that offers exceptional performance and stunning aerial shots? Look no further than the Bezgar Drone with camera. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this drone provides extraordinary speed and power, ensuring an amazing flying experience. Unlike brushed motors, our drone boasts a longer lifespan, less noise, and more stable performance. But it's not just about speed and power. This FPV drone also features a 90-degree adjustable HD camera that captures high-resolution images from various angles. Thanks to 5G real-time transmission technology, you can enjoy fluent and uninterrupted video transmission even when flying at far distances or in challenging weather conditions. One standout feature of this drone is the optical flow positioning sensor. With an additional camera on the bottom of the drone, it enhances stability and allows for clearer pictures by maintaining a fixed height. And if you love extended flight time, you'll be pleased to know that our drone comes with 2 batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 28 minutes. Plus, it offers beginner-friendly functions like 3 speed level shifts, 3D flips, headless mode, one-click takeoff/landing, gesture control, and gravity sensing. Discover the thrill of capturing breathtaking aerial shots with the Bezgar Drone with camera. It's the perfect choice for adults and kids alike. Looking for a drone that's perfect for beginners but still offers advanced features? Look no further than the Sima X800W. This quadcopter drone comes equipped with a built-in 1080p HD camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial shots and record unforgettable moments. With the app's real-time FPV view, you can see exactly what the camera sees, giving you a unique perspective. The X800W drone is designed with the user in mind, offering a range of functions to enhance your flying experience. One-key rotation and 3D flips make flying the drone even more exciting, while the Sima Fly Map allows you to customize your flight path. You can also switch between low and high-speed modes to match your skill level. Operating the X800W is a breeze. It features one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and high/low speed modes to cater to all experience levels. The propeller protection frame ensures the safety of your flight, while the high-quality ABS material provides durability and protection against shocks or drops. One of the standout features of the X800W is its portability. The foldable fuselage design makes it incredibly compact and easy to carry around. And with 2 included 3.7V/400 mAh batteries, you can enjoy up to 20 to 24 minutes of flight time before needing to recharge. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, the Sima X800W is a fantastic choice. It offers a perfect balance of functionality, ease of use, and durability. Take your aerial photography skills to new heights with this versatile and reliable drone. The BUNE F7 GPS camera professional drone is the perfect choice for adults looking for a high-performance and reliable drone. This drone has completed FAA certification, ensuring that you can fly it without any hindrance. If you have any questions about FAA Remote ID, the BUNE team is readily available to assist you. One of the standout features of the BUNE F7 drone is its 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal. With just one click, you can detach the 4K video camera and capture stunning aerial photography. The 120 FOV lens and larger COMS sensor enhance your aerial photography experience, allowing you to capture unforgettable night scenes. The 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom ensure stable and convenient shooting, even when transitioning between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition. When it comes to flight time, the BUNE F7 drone excels with a total of 75 minutes of flight time per trip. The drone comes with 3 intelligent batteries, each providing approximately 25 minutes of flight time. With its extended flight time and portable bag, you can take this drone on your adventures without worrying about running out of battery power. To ensure efficient charging, please use a 5V/3A or 5V/2A charger for a full charge in 6 hours with a 5V/3A charger or 7 hours with a 5V/2A charger. Experience the freedom and excitement of aerial exploration with the BUNE F7 GPS camera professional drone. It's packed with advanced features like auto return, follow me, fly around, and beginner mode to enhance your flying experience. With its FAA certification completed, exceptional camera capabilities, long flight time, and user-friendly features, the BUNE F7 drone is designed to take your aerial photography to new heights. Looking for a high-quality drone that's packed with features? Look no further than the BUNE F7 GB2. This drone is designed for adults and comes with a 4K camera equipped with a 90 adjustable lens and 120 FOV lens, allowing you to capture stunning videos and photos at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal and 5x digital zoom provide enhanced stability, ensuring that your shots are always steady and professional looking. One of the standout features of the BUNE F7 GB2 is its impressive flight time. With 2 intelligent batteries, you can enjoy up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. Plus, the drone is equipped with level 6 wind resistance and low-noise brushless motors, ensuring a quieter and more stable flight experience. But that's not all. This drone also offers an extended video transmission range of up to 9,800 feet, 3 kilometers. You'll be able to enjoy crisp images and smooth video streaming directly on your phone while controlling the drone. Additionally, the BUNE F7 GB2 complies with FAA regulations, giving you peace of mind while flying. With its advanced features and top-notch performance, the BUNE F7 GB2 drone is a must-have for any photography or videography enthusiast. Get ready to capture breathtaking aerial shots with ease and precision. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 drone cameras. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments, and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.